Hey.
What's up, man?
What's going on with you,
What's
boy?
up?
What's going on with you? Come on, baby.
Same old, same old.
Come on! Hey. What up? What's wrong with you, man? My Uncle Cletus is in the room right now. And he trying to take a little nap because he got work. And he finna get up in a minute, so I can't have you waking him up, you feel me?
Alright.
You got me? Alright.
I feel you.
Good looking though.
Alright.
Go ahead and have a seat over there, bro.
Right there?
I'm gonna go check on him real quick.
Alright, hold on to these chips though. I got that.
Hey, everything's cool. He's still sleeping. I don't know how he slept through that, but you good. Nothing, man. Hey, get your feet off the table, man. What's wrong with you?
Thought we was family.
Yeah, family still gotta respect the house. So put your feet down.
Alright, so how that new basketball team been treating you?
They been treating me cool, you know. They sure ain't treat me like Kobe, you know what I'm saying?
They ain't treating you like Kobe. Oh, my bad, man. My bad. I forgot. I ain't gonna happen again. My bad.
Nah, it's cool. It's cool, man. It's cool. Don't even worry about it. So anyway, I seen Bill in the McDonald's walk straight in and punch him in the throat. Didn't ask no questions at all, man. I didn't even understand. Man, if you don't sit down, that old caveman sneeze.
I gotta catch my breath.
Recuperate or something.
We'll turn on some tunes real quick. Hey, this is my jam.
Bruh. Turn this off now. Come on, man. Something a little more quieter, you feel me?
Alright, I'm quiet. Can't do nothing in this house. Hey, SpongeBob, boy. I know you remember SpongeBob. I know you remember. That's going on.
You're not listening
Don't worry about it.
I told you we need to keep
Remember he was like, and he was like, and there was like, and he was like, again. Because SpongeBob, this is a good show. SpongeBob.
You're not listening at all, dude.
Hey, really? What you got?
Look, dude, I need you to. Didn't I tell you youngsters to keep it down? I'm trying to get some sleep.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Cleveland. He didn't even tell me he was back there. No, he didn't even say nothing.
Now, I gotta be to work for 2 o'clock, okay? So if y'all don't give me some sleep, I'm gonna knock you in the next week, okay? Well, you said you gotta be to work at 2, right? You know it's 4 o'clock right now, right? Wait, say what? You said 4 o'clock.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet,
Come on, hurry up, Uncle Cleve. Hold on now. I gotta finish shaving. All right, let's go.